Good morning, Tractor. You ready to play? Good morning, Tommy. Ready to work.
Wow, you can talk.
Let's go.
Let's make the farm happy again.
Yay! Let's grow happiness.
When we work hard and help others, everything shines again.
Tractor storm coming. We need to help animals before rain gets heavy. Ah! Hop on, Tommy. Let's find everyone before they get wet.
Ah, yay, Captain Tractor.
Don't worry, little buddy. We gotcha. Hold tight, Tommy Nay. Steady now.
Even on rainy days, kindness shines brighter than the sun.